If you're having confusion on how you can delete your Instagram account, well, let me guide you through. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bastan, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Insta account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Instagram and you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once there, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to head into option account center, and under account center you want to select the option that says personal details. You can see right here, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll find account ownership and control. Tap on it and there tap on deactivation or deletion. Simply select your Instagram account if you have multiple accounts linked, and once you tap on it, you'll get the deactivate and delete option. You want to make sure that the blue check mark or the circle is on the delete account option, and then simply tap on continue and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.